All right, dudes, Bill from Top Rack. I got a rifle drill for you here. Target's going to be down at 25 yards. I'm going to fire 10 rounds in 8 seconds or less. I got a score of 95 or better on the B8, so we'll see how it runs out. All right, stand by. All right, 10 rounds gone. Time's going to be a 6:82 on that. Well, let's check the hits. Got a line cutter there. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 96. Looking to score 95 on that drill. Showing the gun, depending where your zero's at, a little bit of mechanical offset stuff, and then just trying to keep that dot steady as you fire through it. Give it a try. Bill from TopRack.com.